Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a video on a software called Alura Etsy research tool. We are going to use it to check in on some different Etsy designs. We are going to use their Etsy profit calculator, the Etsy privacy. Well, we're probably not going to use everything, but they do have an Etsy profit calculator. They have an Etsy privacy policy generator, a keyword research tool, and of course the product research Chrome extension. I'm super excited about showing you guys how to use these products today, and I'm going to start from scratch, basically showing you how to install the Chrome extension on your computer as well to use it for your Etsy shop and just for doing some research. So if you are new here, I do videos on print on demand, all of them to help you start your print on demand business. If you want to subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified on my videos. I do release 3 videos a week, typically on Sunday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, basically. Sometimes I pop in other different videos on those different days, but I'm rambling, so let's get into the video. So I am logged into my Alura account, and you can go ahead and once you get signed in and you decide what pricing or tools you want to use. Actually, let me go ahead to the website so I can actually show you guys that. Oh, that's the extension. Sorry. Go to the website so you can see the pricing. So the website is alura.io, and here is the pricing guide. It has a monthly, which is $0, which gives you these things. You can start for free, or you can do the premium at $9.99 a month. They also have I think it's annual, or another premium $19.99 a month. So yeah, I don't think I saw a difference. And then it just kind of tells you different things that they have here. Pretty simple and basic website to use. They have some frequently asked questions down below. Very sleek website to use. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Chrome extension. If you've never downloaded a Chrome extension before, it basically just shows you how you can add it to Chrome. Gives you a little overview of the website. The people who create the extensions, they usually add in different pages so you can check it out. If there's any reviews on the tool, you'll see them here. Support questions and how you can reach the developer. And then it also shows you related apps. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to go ahead and add it to the Chrome. This pop-up will come and you're just going to hit add extension. Now the extension has been added, and I am going to, wait, did it get there? Oh, it's adding down here. Sorry, guys. So now it should be in my Chrome, which it shows me right here. So I'm just going to click on that and pin it to my Chrome extension. All right. So then we're going to go over to Etsy. And I do like sloths, but today I want to look up some watercolor notebooks. Okay. So I looked up watercolor notebooks, and I'm going to go over here and click the Alura extension, and it's going to do its thing. So I love showing you guys straight from scratch, because now look what happens. It has a welcome screen that kind of shows you how to use the app. So I'm already a user, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Probably was typing too fast. All right, so I am signed in, and then I am going to go ahead and hit the app again. Wait. It took away what I was looking for. Okay, so I'm going to search for it, and then I'm going to hit the Alura extension again and wait for it to do its thing. All right, so there's like 21 typical favorites, price range about $15.64, typical sales 2, score 6. So note that you can export this. It does have a trending feature here. Then does have a question box. So let's go ahead and click on that one, and it extends. Clearly, this is not really a watercolor journal. So let's look at this watercolor design. I wanted to click it right here, like that. So here's the watercolor design here. It tells me the shop name, the product name. Here's a full view of here. They have 148 sales. They've been on Etsy since 2019. Their price for their watercolor book is $12.43, and they're in the books, movies, and whatever. So it says they have no sales. Okay, so go right there. So now I'm looking at this shop here. They made, and we can do it from, revenue. So that person makes, this person here with the vegan lever says their revenue is about $514. So everybody has like a different price, but I'm looking for truly like watercolor. This one says eco-friendly. Let's see what this one looks like. So these are really cute, handmade. So it makes about $200 price. I think they can go up on that. So now I want to see what this trending does. So it gives me Google Trends, interest over time. So this play stays pretty steady. So it's in that, steady range of the trends over time. And let's click the question box to see. Okay, so this just brings us here to see if they can help with anything. Okay, so and then if you wanted to export this information, you could hit export, and that's what it would do. So let's go look at something else that's super popular. So let's try sloth necklaces. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the Alura button. All right. So here, say 304 favorites, typical price $19, 2 sales scores. Let's see the most money the person makes, about $426. Here, let's check this one out. So they charge about $30. They've been on Etsy since 2010. They've made 29,424 sales. So this shop is absolutely doing something right, and you might want to, check on them. Looks like they might have a lot of animal products, but again, everything in here looks really high end. So that could be how they are definitely stepping their game up and being consistent. So just check out the pictures here, and they have to be doing something different. So these are really cute, really nice shop here. So we're going to go back to my account, and we're going to go to the keyword finder, and we're going to go ahead and type in sloth necklace. Since we saw that that shop has so many sales, let's check out what the keyword finder can get us in information on that word. All right, so it gets about 215 views. This says the average monthly views for the top 25 listing, 28 favorites, have about 1,000 people, 7 sales. This is average monthly, price about $50. And then they also have similar keywords here. So sloth jewelry, sloth pendant, animal necklace, hanging sloth, sloth gift, sloth charm. So they do have a lot here as well that you can see. And then it says, it shows you some trending tags this week. All right, so now let's go back and look at our resources. So let's check out the Etsy fee calculator. So let's say our selling price is $30. And it cost me maybe $7.99. So let's go ahead and calculate. Okay, say I'm using the offset ads. All right, so this kind of breaks it down for you. I'm charging $30 for my sloth necklaces. It cost me $7.99 to get them. That's probably not included the boxes or whatever I use to, or shipping. So that's give or take. There's the listing fee, the transition fee, processing fee, my offset ads, and my total cost is about $14.99. So I profit about $15 from a $30 necklace. So here it shows you your profit, Etsy fees, and production costs, okay? So this just kind of helps you break it down. Then we're going to go over here and go to the Etsy privacy policy generator. So here you just put in your information, your shop URL, your email. Are you an individual business? Google Analytics, third-party tools you may use, and just different information. Then you can go ahead and create your privacy policy for your Etsy shop. This is a really easy tool to use, really good. Again, you can always export this information out that you've gotten from the Alura tool, and it can help you a lot in your Etsy business. Again, it is simple, sleek, and easy to use. I really enjoy it. I'm glad I was able to show you guys how to use the program from the beginning to the end. So if you want to join Alura and start using their tools, go ahead and click the link in my bio description box, whatever, you know what it is. I do have an affiliate link for Alura. So if you want to click that link and join, let them know that I sent you. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.